In this video, I'll show you how to download and install GTA 5 onto your computer. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please go and consider leaving a like as well. We really do appreciate it, and make sure to subscribe right until the end to all of the steps. Now, it is really important to note before we get any further that GTA 5 is a paid game. There are no legal ways or legit ways to go and get GTA for free, and if you do see them, they're usually virus ridden and they're just dangerous to go and download onto your system. So this means you will need to go and purchase GTA 5, but don't worry, we'll show you how. So let's go and get onto my computer. So here we are on my desktop, and the first thing we need to do is go and get something called Steam. Now, Steam is basically a game marketplace and a launcher. So if you don't already have it, come to steampowered.com or just go and Google Steam and you can get to the website, and you need to go and create a free account and then go and press install Steam, and installer will download, and it's really simple to go and do. And then once you've gone and done that, then you're going to have the Steam desktop app on your computer, which looks something like this, and I'm going to go and zoom in on this for you guys. So once you've gone and got Steam and it's on your computer, what you want to do is come to the store and wait for it to load, and you need to go and click on this search button and then go and press search for GTA 5, just like so. And here it is, and go and press on it. And then once it loads, you will need to go and verify your age. So I'm going to go and do that now. So I've now typed in my age. I'm going to go and click view page, and then we can go and view it. As you can see, here it is. So what you need to do is scroll down, and you need to go and purchase GTA 5. So what you want is just GTA 5. There is some sort of premium edition with a few bundles, but this is the cheapest one you can get. So then all you need to do is press add to cart, just like so. And it's going to take a moment, and here is our shopping cart. And then all you want to do is press purchase for myself, and it'll take a moment to load, and then we can go and select the payment method we want to go and use. So what I've now done is going to enter my payment information, and now let's go and press purchase. And after you successfully purchased it, it's going to go and say thank you for your purchase. And after you purchased it, then all you need to do is go and press on library, just like so, and this is going to show you all of your games. And as you can see, here is GTA 5. I've just gone and added it here. And as you can see, here is GTA 5. So let's go and tap on it, just like so, and then we can go and install it into our system. Now, it's important to note that you do need 100 gigabytes, which is quite a lot. So that is going to take up quite a lot of space, and I recommend doing it on a hard drive and not an SSD because it's so big. So what you want to do is press install, just like so, and you've got these options here, and then you can go and choose where you want GTA to be installed. So I'm going to go and change this location for myself. So I went and put it on my D drive, and then I'm going to go and press next. And then you need to go and agree to the EULA. I've already read this before. And there we go. And it's now creating the local game files, and it's preparing it for install and basically the download. So as you can see, we can now press finish, and you can go and see that GTA is downloading. I've got quite a slow internet connection, so it's going to take some time to go and download 100 gigabytes. So now I'm going to go and explain what's going to go and happen next. So once GTA is finished downloading and installing, the download button, which I showed you on the library, is going to go and change to a play button. Then all you need to do is go and press play, and what's going to go and launch is something called the Rockstar Games Launcher, and this is going to go and open up, and you'll need to go and choose the language and agree to the agreement, and basically choose where you want to go and install the Rockstar Games Launcher, as this is something you basically have to go and then launch GTA 5. Then once you've gone and successfully installed it, come back to your Steam library, and you can go and press play on the Grand Theft Auto game again. And then the Rockstar Games Launcher is going to go and pop up, and you'll need to go and create a social club account, and you'll need to go and link your Steam account, and then you can basically go and verify that you purchased GTA through Steam, and it's going to verify that you have got a proper GTA license with your social club profile. And during this process, you're going to go and redeem an activation code, which is basically the game you purchased on Steam on your social club account, and then you go, and then you can go and start playing GTA, and it's going to go and launch, and you can go and enjoy it, and it's a really great game. If you found this video useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.